How is it going, ladies and gents, and all the crypto enthusiasts out there? In this video I will guide you through my investments into the NFT space. Actually, I have 4 NFTs that I will show you today. I keep these ones for the long term. I'm not planning to sell them anytime soon. I'll wait for the next NFT bull run. It's not sure when it's happened, this year, next year, but I pretty sure that it will arrive. So I will walk you through one by one why I bought the NFT and when I'm planning to sell it for. Also, I put together a simple table for the price predictions for the future. I will discuss the very bullish scenarios and some more stable scenarios regarding the NFT market price and the price of Ethereum. We will do some calculations at the end. So let's get started. As you can see, I bought 4 NFTs as investments. The first one I made over a year ago in 2020. The first one is from the My Curio cards collection. If we go on my profile, you can see this one, the sculpture. And My Curio cards collection, it's one of the first NFT projects on the Ethereum blockchain, which is art-based. It was launched in 2017, so this is like an OG in the NFT space. It was launched when the CryptoPunks were launched. I'm pretty sure that you heard about the CryptoPunks. I bought this one for a higher price, as you can see in my table, for a quarter of an Ethereum. And if we check the all-time high price for this one, you can see it here, around 2.6, 2.2 ETH all-time high price. So if we would go back to that price range, we would make like a 10x on this sculpture, but we don't know what to expect. I think that 90-95% of the NFT projects won't go back to the all-time highs level that we hit in the past, and there are some premium projects. I think all of these will go back to some decent level. So the second one is from the VeeFriends collection. This is the energetic electric eel. And the VeeFriends collection is from Gary Vaynerchuk, a big entrepreneur. He's into marketing, and I'm almost certain that he will do everything he can to bring his project to life. For example, he organizes the yearly VCon event, and you can get in by owning one of the VeeFriends NFTs. And you cannot really buy tickets. The NFT itself is the ticket, so it has a utility already. So there are different types of rarity for this collection. If we check down here on the specs, you can see there is the core rarity, which is this white background one. There is the rare one. It's more limited. You can see the numbers here. There are almost 10,000 NFTs out there. There is the very rare that are owned with this orange background, and you can see there is only 1200 pieces out there. Also there are the epics and the spectacular ones, but I own an epic one, as we could see here. So I bought this for 2.31 Ethereum, and the all-time high for the very rare collection, we can check it here. If we go back to the rarity, and instead of spectacular we choose the very rare, we go on activity, and we can see that the all-time high level for this was around 28 Ethereum, which is insane. I don't know if we see that again, or even we can go higher, but let's hope for the best. I put this into my table, 29 ETH. Okay, let's go on the next one. It's also from the My Curio cards collection. If I go back on my profile, you can see this here. It's called Docs Trading, and I bought this recently for 4.675 Ethereum. And just look at this, guys. This one is also from the OG My Curio cards collection. And who doesn't like dogs? And even, okay, so who's got a new art to pump? So it's even funny as well. And people like dogs, cats, and all these sorts of stuff. So if this collection starts to blow up, I think this NFT from it will be one of the best performing ones. And as you can see on the all-time high price, this was around 13 ETH almost. So I bought it for less than an Ethereum, and if we go back to these levels, that would be insane. So the last one that I want to show you is the CryptoBlots NFT. This one is in my other wallet, I think, so I just switch quickly to that one. As you can see it here, I'm talking about this one. I bought this for 0.38 Ethereum not long ago, and the all-time high price for this was around 6 Ethereum. So what's special about this one, that this is from the art blocks collection and from the curated series, and the very first series 1, and the art blocks is known for generative art. So it's like buying paintings and stuff like that, but in the modern age, buying art and selling it online, so to say, in the NFT market space. What's special about this one, that this is a three colored one. As you can see, it has 3 color. And if we go back to the collection and go on this mystery feature, you can see that there is the single colored ones, there is the 2 colored ones, and there is this 3 colored one, which only has 111 pieces out from the almost 2000 pieces. So this is the supply, which is limited here, and if we see this collection rise in the future, I think these 3 colored ones will worth even more and more, because these are limited pieces. If we go back on my table, I spent around 3.6 Ethereum on the NFTs, and I multiplied by this Ethereum price, so that comes down to 5,400 USD. I get this number from my investment strategy. As you can see it here, I dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin and also into Ethereum starting from last year. So these are my investment sums, and if also the price that I bought the Ethereum for. So if we go rough calculation here, you can see the average is around 1,500. So that's what I put it in as a basis. When the next NFT bull run will happen, nobody knows, but it's possible that it will be together, and it's almost certain that it will be together with the next crypto bull run, together with the Ethereum price. So it's like a special equation, because you got the Ethereum price once and also the NFTs price, and if we calculate on US dollar terms, we can achieve big things. I will show you right now what I'm talking about. So let's say the Ethereum price today is around 1,600 USD, but if we check the all-time high, it's around 4,000 US dollars. When we take a 2,000 Ethereum price calculation, let's take the lower end, a 50% all-time high level, and if we multiply the 26 Ethereum by the 2,000 US dollar price of Ethereum, we come to 50,000 USD, and it's almost a 10x on our investment, as you can see. But hey, we can expect a higher Ethereum price if we go back to the all-time high level, 4,000. We already got 100,000 USD for the 50% and 200,000 for the 100%. But I think that the crypto space and the adoption is evolving, and more people start to use the Ethereum blockchain and Bitcoin, and people started to do smart contracts and stuff like that on the Ethereum blockchain. So I'm thinking that the price of Ethereum will go even higher. Let's take from a double from here, for example, 8,000, and it's still like not big of an expectation, I think, if we can see that what the blockchain and Ethereum is capable of. So in this case, we can even look at the $500,000 selling price for the future. So these are just rough calculations and playing with the numbers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I can expect for the NFT bull run, which we don't know yet when it will happen. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more interesting content. Until then, happy investing.